Meron pa tayong mga Guimaras mangoes guys pero this is not the initial or yung after na, pero most likely ito yung naiwan. So what's left of what was harvested last time na hindi nakuha nun. There it is, isang balde. Guys, and warm welcome to Lex and Candace Tupa's Family Adventures. So we're now traveling again as a family, right, Kuya? So where are we going, Lexi?
We're going to our farm.
Yes, to Casa de Quiara. So join us, guys, as today is hopefully the most number of harvest for our Indian mangoes. The last time we featured was Guimaras mangoes. Now it's Indian mangoes. It's not for sale. We personal consumption, and we just also share it with some of our friends. So let's go, guys. Join us in our Sunday fun day and harvest day. Let's go.
1 hour later.
Here in Baralac Viejo, pero syempre. Okay. Ay, very convenient, guys. So shopping anay para sa food natin, right? Yeah. And then Ate Turon.
I want beef.
You want beef also?
Yeah.
There? Oh, let's check. Okay, let's go. So, tapos na kami grocery, and the kids, ice cream. We're off now to the farm. Yeah, whole day kami dire, guys. There. Yeah. The roads are nice na, no? Lapad.
You made it straighter.
Okay, so we're entering in a bit Casa de Quiara. Yes, we're back. Here it is, guys. So may mangoes, syempre may banana. And again, the mangoes are distributed, mas marami ang, and may mga flowers na ang Guimaras mangoes. Tapos ito Indian mango. Wow, ang daming bulaklak na
They are almost done.
ng mga Guimaras mangoes. But we'll do harvest today for
Ang daming bulaklak.
Indian mangoes. Yes. Ang daming bulaklak. Lexi, no?
Look, there's a rooster. There's
Really?
a rooster.
Oh yeah, there's a rooster.
There's a rooster.
We have chickens now.
Okay, guys. So we're entering Casa de Quiara. So there, mga Indian mangoes.
We have chickens now, mommy. Chickens. Good.
We have chickens. Oh, there's a chicken.
So
There's
you
a
don't
chicken.
you don't need to get it na from Tito Beng.
Usually already have.
Pero dapat meron na parang busy siya.
Yeah.
Chickens now.
You can get, and then
I
goat
saw a rooster.
there, Indian
I saw a
mangoes.
rooster.
We'll get those. Guys, so many Indian mangoes. Yes. Okay. Before doing the harvest, Kumon is live. So ate starting it. Lexi will start her Kumon, and Kuya has to do his Kumon first before we have time to rest as well as do Starlink. So you can see that, guys. This wire. This is for our Starlink. There it is. So we'll go. Yeah, you'll do your Kumon. Yes.
I do it to my come on later.
It's time na nga mag-harvest. So this is the third or fourth na for this year. Pero the initial ones hindi gano kadami. Pero this time I assume that this is a day that we'll be harvesting a lot of Indian mangoes. Yes. Here it is, guys. Here, do you remember nung first vlog natin ng Indian mangoes? Ako mismo pumanik. Ayan na. Okay, so we'll get all of the Indian mangoes. So it starts here sa medyo likod. Yan, yun. There it is, guys. So dapat may pangkuha kayo. There. For content purposes, nag-Spider-Man tayo. Pero look, here it is, Indian mangoes. See, there are a lot of Indian mango trees. This one is one of the biggest. Tas katabi niya Indian mango din. At sa likod, at iba pa dyan. Yes, doon. And this is the back part of our farm, Casa de Quiara. Hindi ako masyadong nakakapunta dito, pero dito marami pa. Yes. Let's see, guys. Yan, may banana pa dito. May mga mangoes. And may certain part nga dito na medyo meron ng Guimaras mangoes. And we actually got a few the last time. Pero most of it, bulak pa lang or may flowering pa lang siya. Okay, we'll show you guys. Yes, medyo mainit, of course, heat index. But good thing may shade. There, mangoes na. Those are Guimaras mangoes, guys. Yes. Okay. So that's the back part of our farm. So we plan to put like a pond here na may tilapia. Tsaka may hito. Ayan, oh. Meron na rin, oh. Bunga. Those are Guimaras mangoes. And then, the rest, dun yung mga Indian mango sa harap. And meron din sa may side. Ayun, they're going there na sa may side. We'll show you kung how many yung makukuha for today. The last time we were here, it was 1 sack of Indian mangoes. Prior to that, half a sack. And then prior to that, half a sack as well. There are only 10 Indian mango trees here out of 110 mango trees. The 100 are Guimaras mango trees. Okay guys, show you in a bit.
Still watching Lex and Candace Lupa's Family Adventures.
While tinatapos yung pag-harvest sa 10 mango trees, so medyo I just supervise and I check. Medyo nagpaano muna tayo pumasok muna dito sa ating bahay kubo house or our cottage house here in Casa de Quiara para magpalamig kasi medyo alam nyo na heat index mainit and we just finished the Kumon. So Kumon is live for the kids, for Alexa, Lexi and Lexton, and a good thing my Starlink, so we're connected even if we're in a far area or in an area where there is no internet connection, but because of Starlink may connection tayo kahit saan man pumunta. And this is not meant to be an ads, guys. So anyway, in a bit, I'll just show you the result of our final harvest. Nakuha na, it's 1 sack. Tapos may naiwan pa raw na iba. And there, mga luto. Yes, guys. So we'll try it out din ng mga Guimaras mangoes. So this is just like an initial harvest kasi yung main talaga na Guimaras mangoes a few months pa from now. Okay, guys, let's try it out. Meron pa tayong mga Guimaras mangoes, guys, pero this is not the initial or yung after na, pero most likely ito yung naiwan, so what's left of what was harvested last time na hindi nakuha nun. There it is, isang balde. Time na for us to try. Ako kasi I prefer yung hinog o yung luto na, while Candice prefers yung hilaw pa o hindi pa hinog. Ako gusto ko luto, kaya lutong-luto na ang mukhang masarap. Yes. These are Indian mangoes. Very good. Sarap. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining us and for watching this vlog. In our next vlog, like, comment, and
Subscribe!
thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.
And